of the future of money will control the future of money.
Say Libra was something of lit a bit of a fire. This is something we've been focused on digital currencies for a couple decades. This is something we've been focused on digital currencies for a couple decades.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. Please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. And in the times that we're in right now, we definitely need to know how the world works.
Much love
To those who purchased the Three Kids books, it's time to re-educate. Also, much love to those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon. Much love. Keep it coming. And remember, the New World Order cryptos are in my Patreon. Plus, I keep you up to date with the New World Order events. And that is so important because as we can see right now, we have the first quarter main event. And we know they're going to ride this towards the end of the year. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores. Keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And right now, the market is flat, moving slightly down. We know they need Bitcoin on the 5th for collateral. I'm not your financial advice, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But I do see a slight pump and then a pullback. Remember, guys, they're going to be raising rates again early next month. So make sure you're paying attention to the actual indicators. We have yield rates, we have volume, we have Tether, we have USDC. And plus we have the Fed. So make sure you're pulling the repo. The 2 and the 10-year yield rate is slightly inverted, but we do see yield rates slowly rising. And we have grayscale. Do not forget to pay attention to the grayscale whale. Please make sure you focus on the allocations. I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But those cryptos that they're buying, they normally pump if you're paying attention. Now, getting over into a little crypto news, we have Frax Finance pumps. Also, we have Dogecoin got a little spike after Elon Musk almost puts in $3 billion into Twitter. And guys, what is he doing? Hedging, and then also he knows the 4th Industrial Revolution. Remember what I tell you, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram is the great platforms for the metaverse, for the 4th Industrial Revolution. Everything social, social shopping, social credit, social working, that's what it's going to be. These are the perfect platforms for it. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you. Now we have Binance launches Mike Tyson's NFTs. And guys, what is Mike Tyson? He's a brand. What is Jay-Z? A brand. Paris Hilton, Kim Kardashian. These are brands. The New World Order uses these idols, the puppets, in order to push their agenda. That's why we see headphones, wines, beers, anything you can imagine, perfume. They have nothing to do with the product, but they're the great brand. That's why you see generations with the same hairstyle, same outfits. We know how this works the older we get. Now we have LC convenience store giant to accept crypto at 170 outlets. And guys, we know it's all about adoption because we know they're going to use the off-ramp into stable coins. And then also, guys, we have Bitcoin mining. We know Ripple's Chris Larson is talking about changing the code of Bitcoin. But we're getting more and more news of Bitcoin being mined on clean energy. And like I stated, he didn't say anything about Exxon. We know why. The Rockefeller. Now we have DigiHost becomes the first publicly traded miner to offer Bitcoin dividend payments and is supposed to launch 3rd quarter of this year. And you know what I teach you? Follow the money. And we have Ledger partners with the Sandbox to promote crypto education in the metaverse. And that's the reason why I tell you to educate yourself. Learn the technology because you do not want the New World Order to educate you. We can clearly see the results. And then lastly, we have Coinbase invest $1 million in India for Web3 development. And then also Coinbase hires 1,000 people in India. They're not doing that in America, guys. We know why. The 4th Industrial Revolution they're preparing. The emerging markets, India, China, billions of people, guys, are about to come out of poverty into the middle class. And then therefore, when it comes to pricing, if I have billions of people, then I also can give a decent price. There's only about 350 million people in America. Through the corporate lens, you're talking about billions of people are going to equal trillions of dollars. They will go from the manufacturer to the consumer. So the shoe is going to be put on the other foot. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because he knows when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel, Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, get home stocks, the C-word, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID stories 3. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.